Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhones locked to their owner using the iRecovery app. If you're dealing with a locked device and looking for a solution in 2025, you're in the right place. We'll use the iRecovery app to remove the lock and regain access to your device. iRecovery is a powerful application designed to help bypass iPhone locks tied to the owner's account. Whether you've purchased a second-hand iPhone or are struggling with account lock issues, this app offers a straightforward solution. It works on all iOS versions, and I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, in this video. Visit the website mentioned in the pinned comment of this video. Check the link below in the comments section. The best part? You don't need to jailbreak your device. After completing the setup process, you're all set. You can now fix iPhones locked to their owner and regain access in 2025 using the iRecovery app. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future updates and tutorials.